In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master Shopify Analytics. Shopify's Analytics dashboard is a powerful resource for understanding your store's performance, making it an essential tool for any e-commerce business striving to make informed, data-driven decisions. Today, we'll delve into how you can leverage Shopify Analytics by understanding key metrics, customizing reports, and optimizing your store based on data. Let's start by accessing and navigating the dashboard. To begin, you'll want to find the Analytics section in the left-hand menu of your Shopify admin panel. It's here where you can begin to dive into the numbers that matter to your business. Once you've navigated there, select your desired time window and a comparison timeframe, which will help you analyze trends and changes over a specific period. This feature is crucial for spotting fluctuations in sales and traffic, enabling you to respond quickly to new patterns. Don't forget to customize the default dashboard to spotlight the metrics most relevant to your particular business needs. This customization ensures you're focusing on the statistics that matter most to your growth. Now, let's talk about the key metrics you should be monitoring. Firstly, track your total sales, looking closer at sales by channel and product. By doing so, you'll gain insights into which products are performing best and which channels are bringing in the most revenue. Then, keep an eye on your website traffic or sessions, watching the number of visits and where they're coming from. Understanding your traffic sources can help you tailor your marketing efforts more effectively. Another crucial metric is the conversion rate, which shows you the percentage of sessions resulting in a purchase. From here, explore ways to boost this rate to improve your business performance. Don't overlook the average order value either, as increasing this metric can significantly impact your profits. Finally, focus on the returning customer rate, an indicator of customer loyalty and long-term growth potential. Once you have a handle on these metrics, it's time to utilize reports and analyze the data. Break down conversion rates by product or traffic source to uncover areas for improvement. Identify which traffic channels are most successful at driving sales. Additionally, a customer cohort analysis, which groups customers by their first purchase date, can reveal invaluable insights into customer behavior over time. Look at which landing pages are most popular, and watch how your site performs on various devices, ensuring your customers have the best experience across the board. With this information at your fingertips, you can now optimize your store. Promote your best-selling products with targeted marketing efforts and improve or offer promotions on underperforming items to revive their sales. Use behavior reports to perfect the customer journey, making interactions with your site seamless and enjoyable. Also, invest resources into the traffic sources that drive the most conversions, making every marketing dollar count. Personalize your marketing campaigns by utilizing customer insights, enhancing relevance, and capturing attention effectively. Lastly, explore advanced techniques to take your store to the next level. Conduct a cohort analysis to see the effectiveness of various marketing strategies on different customer segments. Funnel analysis can help you identify where customers fall off in the sales process, such as at the cart or checkout stages, allowing you to optimize these crucial steps. A/B testing is another tool that can inform decisions about your website design and marketing strategies, ensuring you're always improving. As your store grows, consider implementing ELT tools to automate your data flows and generate more sophisticated reports. These tools will boost efficiency, giving you even more freedom to focus on expanding your business.